This is the world's largest VRF production base, and also the world's first lighthouse factory in the VRF field, Hisense HVAC Qingdao factory. This factory represents a shining example of quality, efficiency,
and ESG in the HVAC sector.
Today, let's step inside and uncover the secrets of this factory built for the future. Hello, Mr. Lee.
Hello, welcome to the Hisense HVAC Qingdao factory. This way.
It feels quite strange here, and it's so dark. Why aren't the lights on?
This is a dark production workshop of VRF production line. Thanks to machine vision, AI, and IoT connectivity, we've achieved 100% automated production in darkness. Now, let me turn on the lights.
Wow, this is amazing. It looks like a highly trained automated army. What is this? It looks quite flexible.
This is the industry first horizontal inclined automatic tube insertion machine. It's guided by 17 high-precision AI cameras to ensure accurate pipe insertion.
These are truly impressive employees.
The welding process is crucial to prevent refrigerant leakage. Our innovative automated welding integrates multiple advanced techniques, reducing welding defects by 57%, while ensuring the performance and safety of our air conditioning products. Automation is involved throughout the entire production line. This saves time and avoids potential mistakes by manual operation, and as a result, improves product precision.
So, this is the secret behind Hisense's high-quality products.
The secret to quality doesn't end here. Let's head to our labs and check them out.
Has this place just gone through a real blizzard? It's freezing in here.
Yeah. This is our customer simulation test room. We've just simulated a minus 30 degrees blizzard.
Whoa.
By simulating extreme temperature, precipitation, etc., we ensure the stability and the durability of our air conditioners in various environments. Look, even a minus 30 degrees blizzard, this high-flexi S5 outdoor unit continues to heat stably.
That's a tough test, but it clearly passed.
That's not all. Our labs cover 853 rigorous testing scenarios. For all products, we use the strictest manufacturing and testing processes to optimize their performance, so that they can meet customer needs in every scenario.
That's why Hisense products are trusted by customers worldwide. Hisense serves customers globally. How do you ensure rapid delivery so they can get the product when they need it?
We have a robust supply chain system that ensures production capacity. We've also set up an agile delivery operation system, powered by AI-driven decision-making to create the most efficient production plans. And the 24/7 Operation Dark Factory, high-efficiency production equipment have all helped us greatly to shorten the production time. Here, an air conditioning unit rolls off the line every 16 seconds. Currently, our average lead time is only 26.66 days. This major breakthrough allows our customers to wait less and enjoy a better experience.
As far as I know, Hisense has always been actively practicing ESG principles.
So our smart carbon emission management platform and innovative energy-saving technologies. We've reduced the factory's energy consumption per unit by 35%, while extensively using clean energy. As a result, carbon emissions from production and electricity usage have decreased by 47%. Emission of carbon dioxide has reduced by at least 7,500 tons annually.
What an unforgettable experience! The innovative technologies and strict standards in this factory have given me a complete sense of confidence in Hisense HVAC products. I'm sure that this Lighthouse factory will continue to create exceptional innovations in the future while leading industry and societal progress and provide its customers with an experience beyond their expectations.